creating modules and tasks. By the end of this video, you will be able to navigate the Modules page, create a module, create a unit, create a theory task, create a quiz task. On the navigation header, click on Modules. The Modules homepage is divided into two sections. To the left, List of modules that displays the existing modules, and to the right, Content that displays the module's selected information. Recall that a module consists of units, and the units consists of tasks. Let's add a new module. Select New Module. Enter the module's name. A description is optional. Select Save. Your recently created module will be shown on the right side. Click on the plus sign of the module to create a new unit. Enter the unit's name, and then save. Let's add a task. Remember that a task can be an exercise, theory, or a quiz. Click on the plus sign of the unit you just created and choose the type of task you want to add. In this case, we will create a theory task. Click on Theory. Enter the theory's name or title, and then click on the red square that says Theory File is Mandatory. Look for the PDF file in your computer that you want to use as a theory document, and then save. The theory task is now listed in the content side. Now let's add another task to this unit. Click on the plus sign of the unit we created and choose the type of task you want to add. For the second task, we will now create a quiz. Click on Quiz. Type the name of the quiz and passing score. Click Continue. Click on the plus sign to add a question. Enter your question and possible answers. Select the correct answer or answers by clicking the switch next to the answer. Then click on Save Question. Repeat the process if you want to add more questions. We can add up to 20 questions. Once you are finished, click on Save All Questions. The quiz task is now listed in the Content side. For additional information on setting up your AugmentedArc welding training system, see your owner's manual or visit millerwelds.com.